Hey YouTube, welcome back to TechLearn. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create notepad using Python. I'm starting this series on creating notepad using Python, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and save this playlist. So I will create a new Python file named as notepad.py. I'm using PyCharm here, so you will also use PyCharm or whatever you like. So let's start coding our notepad. In this video we will just create the interface of our notepad. So first we will be importing some modules. We need to import tkinter. As you can see, I have written from tkinter import asterisk. Then I will be creating main. Then inside the main I will write root is equal to tk. Then I will set its geometry as root dot geometry. Let it be 700x600. And my root dot title is, so let me give it a title as notepad untitled notepad. And now I will be creating the text area. So first root dot main loop. So now I will be creating a text area. Text area is equal to text, and now I will be using its, so place it inside the root. Use the font as Lucida. This will be the default font for my notepad and its size will be 13. And now we will be packing this inside the root. So you need to write text area dot pack expand is equal to 2, fill is equal to both expand stroke and fill out or dash. Then we will be creating a menu bar, and it should be placed inside a root. So the first menu to be created is file menu, and I will be writing menu root, file menu should be inside the menu bar, and the tear off should be 0. Now file menu dot add command is equal to label should be new. Now press the Control D and again D for new, save and open. Then file menu dot add a separator. Then we will be creating again label is equal to exit. Then you need to write menu bar dot add cascade. The label should be file, and the command it would be following would be the, sorry, not the command, we need to write menu is equal to file menu. Now if I save this much, and now I would be writing edit menu is equal to menu, the same thing you need to write menu bar care of should be 0, and now this should be edit menu dot add command. The first should be label, that would be copy, paste, and the cut command. Now I will be adding the scroll bar to my notepad. So in order to create the scroll bar, I will be writing scroll is equal to the scroll bar, and it should be inside the text area. Then the scroll dot pack, I would like to place it on the right side, so the side will be right and the fill will be on the y-axis. So I was having an unexpected indent. So as you can see, I have placed the scroll bar fill is equal to y. So this y should be but capital, and then I will be adding the command. So the scroll dot config should be the command, that is the text area dot y view. Now we have changed the y view. Remove this. Now we will be adding text area dot config. Text area dot config. Y scroll command is assigned to scroll dot set. And now if I save it, as you can see, this is my notepad, and I can write here anything. and I could use it for writing anything. Now if you will see, we haven't got the menu bar yet. This is because, let me show you why. We haven't entered the edit menu dot, this should be menu bar dot add cascade underscore cascade, and it is label is equal to text. Now write the text that should be displayed, and my label should be the edit menu. As you can see, I have written edit menu. Now I need to add few commands, so I will be writing comma, and the command is equal to new, command is equal to save, and command is equal to open. Open file, and here command is equal to cut, sorry, this is the copy option, so command is equal to copy, command is equal to, this is the cut, command is equal to paste. We haven't created any functions yet, that's why it is showing us the red line. So let's define the first one, that's the new, write pass here. We will be coding this command in our next video, and copy this thing, save file, open file, cut, copy, copy and paste. This is the new, this was the save. Now we will be having our open file, then the copy, cut and the paste. Save your notepad and dot config, and our menu is equal to menu bar, save it, and if I run this, you could see we have got our menus. This is file, this is edit, but this is not doing anything because we haven't coded this yet. We can also write inside it. If I will write few of the lines, like we could also use a scroll bar. So that's it in this video. In the next video I will be showing you how to code your notepad's menus and use these functions. So thank you, till then, goodbye.